Hi guys, welcome to our new YouTube channel, The Art Kids. In our first video, we're going to be making catapults. All we need is lolly sticks and some rubber bands. Now the first step is we need to get a bunch of lolly sticks. I recommend a minimum of 10. Or it won't go far at all. So what we need to do first is bunch up our lolly sticks like that, okay? And we're gonna get some rubber bands. You need 2 rubber bands right here. You take the first one and you wrap it around the first end. So I'm twisting it and tying it like a hair bobble. Okay. Now, I need to level it out and do the second end. And make sure you tie it on tight. And this will affect how far your catapult will go. Now we're going to move on to the second step. For the second step, we need 2 more lolly sticks. And we need to make a cross like this. And we need to hold that. And then we need to slowly, can you see what I just did? So what I did was I put it over this thingy at the top. And then I twist it back around and I put it around again. And it makes this line here. So we need to do that a couple of times until we get it. Okay, now I've completed it after two or three times. Now I need to do the opposite way. So I'm just twisting it and putting it over like that. Can you see that? I'll show you one more time. Twisting it, so I've got this, it's like this, and I twist it, and I put it over again. So, here, I've made an X. Now what I need to do now that I've done that, I need to pinch the smaller side, like this, like that, and tie it with another rubber band. And now I've tied it. As you can see, the catapult is now ready. If you want, you can add a bottle lid and you can use some glue and stick it on, or you can just leave it like this and do that. Okay? If you want, I've got some extra lolly sticks here and I need to get some extra rubber bands. I'm gonna add a frame to make the whole catapult more secure. Because at the moment it's not very stable. See? It's coming up here. So if you want to make a frame, you need another 2 lolly sticks. And I need some rubber bands. Now I've got my extra rubber band and my lolly sticks. And what I'm going to make is an A shape. So I need to get the 2 lolly sticks and put them together with the middle lolly stick. Can you see that? I got the 2 lolly sticks from here and I put them like this. And now I'm gonna tie it over here. As you can see, I've made a mistake here. What we need to do is we need to line it up, so that means all the lolly sticks like join together, so it makes it easier to tie. And if you want another extra step to improve it even more, what you need is another extra lolly stick. I'm gonna get another lolly stick. I've got another lolly stick. And I'm gonna place it here. Now I'm gonna take these off, but we'll add them on as soon as we've added this on. Now the frame will stay secure after we add this lolly stick to the bottom. So what we need to do is we just do the same step again like we did at the beginning. What we need to do is we need to tie it around and around the lolly sticks until they become tight. And that's when you stop, because you don't want the rubber bands to snap. So this is a very fiddly job, and this is just like a bonus if you really want to make your catapult go really far. And now, as you can see, our catapult is finally ready. And now I'll see you and we'll test the catapult out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it. So I've just wrapped a seed with a rubber band so it gives it grip. So I'm just going to push it down, hold it down, hold this. Let me try that again. I'm going to push it down, hold it down, and I'm going to fire. From the sounds of things, I think you know where it went. It obviously went quite far. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy doing this activity. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you also hit the bell icon. Bye!